Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Annette. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I bring you an unboxing video, and this is from Get Nailed 32 from Natalie Carmona's website. If you haven't seen Natalie's channel, I am going to link her channel down below. She also has a store, an online store, where she always gets little things for nail techs here and there, nail files and different things that she has. And I made my order just in time before her website was completely sold out, and it always happens, so you have to be the first to go in, but she always replenishes. If you haven't seen her channel and if you haven't seen her website, I'm going to link both of them below. She's a great nail tech. She always has beautiful videos on YouTube and as well as on Instagram that I've seen from her. So this is the package that I received, and I'm going to open it. I've already made a little cut here to open what's in the bag because it's kind of difficult. I don't want to break my nails. So here we go. Let's see what I got from her. And I will probably upload this closer to Valentine's, and that's why the XOXO, which I have upside down. Okay, hold on, let me fix this here because I wanted that to be my background. I found this beautiful little mat, and I wanted that to be my background. Okay, let's see what I order here. Let's go with this first box. Okay, I've seen that's very in these little foils to be put in between the acrylic or the gel, and I order them. They come in like silver tone and gold tone, and I think these were worth just buying them because you just only need just little pieces of them. I'm gonna open it here so you can see, and they come in individual little containers, which I can appreciate, and I like that. Can you guys see that? Because I don't have a lot of space on my area, so it's very easy for me to handle these. These are very dainty and delicate and fragile, so one of these will last you a long time. So it's totally worth it for me to have order a full box of these because they, you see, they come all separate, and if I need to pull one out, then I have extras here, so I really like that. The other thing I have is this beautiful disc with the little flowers in them. I'm gonna zoom in because I was very excited about learning that she had these on her website, especially because spring is coming up, and I always have clients that ask me for some floral added to their acrylic. They like transparent look on their nails, and because it's a clear nail, I would like to embed these in them. And these are little dry flowers. See the little dry flowers there? I love that. Look at this, the leaves and everything. They come in different colors. I am so sad I didn't order two of these, and I just ordered one. I should have ordered 2 or 3 of these. So yes, this is one of their her dry flowers. It's so cute. For those who might be wondering, I'm gonna post the prices around here if I can find the price list, so I'll link it somewhere around here so you guys can have it. Okay, then the next one that I have is this other disc. Let me open it. And this one I particularly liked because of the colors and the shape of the actual stones, which is like a teardrop. I'm gonna put it on my hand here. The colors were very unique and different, and that is why mostly I order them. They come 3 per color. I just dropped my last one here, and this one's like a glass, clear glass. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna try to flip this to the other side so you can definitely see the colors in there, but it's like a clear teardrop, like a smoky teardrop. Do you see that? You see that? That's gorgeous. And these are just rare colors that I just don't usually find. I know I find a lot of reds and greens and all that kind of stuff, but she has like the turquoise. This is like a gold tone color. Look how gorgeous that looks. Yellow. This blue is beautiful. Look at that aqua color. These are perfect colors for spring, summertime, because I know people will be asking for these. And then the other thing I ordered were different size of stones on the red, because Valentine's is coming up and I know I do a lot of red nails, and this one has a variety of sizes in them, and I can definitely use these. What I do with these usually, either I put them all in one container because they're different sizes. You can definitely pick from here, but I also have different container size, like these sizes right here, and I can sit down and take my precious time and just separate them and put them in just individual containers because they're individual sizes. You don't have to do that, but for these, I'm going to keep them all in one place because I know I'm going to be using them in different sizes for Valentine's week. And I also ordered in different colors. I don't know if you guys can see. For me, it's really hard to find really good different tones of colors. These I could have divided, but I'm not going to do that either. I'm just going to put them in one container and then use them as I need them. But I love it because I have oranges, blue, purples, green, and I don't have to really purchase individual containers, big containers with lots of amounts of these colors, because I usually put on crystals on my clients, and they're usually either the faceted white, like AB or SS kind of glass on my crystals on my nails, on my clients' nails. But these were very unique in different colors, yellow and just in different sizes, and I thought this was very unique for me to order one time and see how it goes. And I love the little packaging, it's so cute. Okay, and last but not least, I ordered me some brushes, and these brushes are for design. They have the numbers 1, 2, and 3. And let me tell you, I've been doing nails for over 20 years, and I always purchase individual brushes for design because some companies do make them really, really good. But to be honest with you, not only I need a good brush, but I need the brushes to last. Those brushes, me paying $7 and $8 for one brush, that's gonna last me not too long, less than a year. I don't want to deal with that. So I just buy inexpensive brushes and I use them as I need them, and then I just dispose of them and then get new ones. So I was willing to try her brushes. They say 1, 2, and 3. They're great for different designs. I don't know if you can see the sizes there. I'm going to put it on my shirt so you can see. And I love it, especially this number 2. I use the number 2 a lot for a lot of things. So yeah, this was a great purchase for me just to try them out, and if they work out, then I'll keep buying them from her. Okay, well, let me zoom out really quick here. This is everything that I received on my packet from Natalie Carmona, or Get Nailed 32. I will link her information below if you're interested, and I will see you guys on my next video. Until next time, God bless.